Sup, we're back in that video, guys. I'm Rail Fan Landon here. See how much in Northwestern. Looks like 5 or 6 tanker cars right now. It's like a total of 5 tanker cars and 1 engine like usual. Here he is right now. There he is. And then there's the real one right there. There he is. Right behind him. But he's gonna be messing around for a little bit. But there he is right now. There he is. There he is. Hamilton, Northwestern. Here we go. Here we go. Five tanker cars. There's the front, and there's the end of the train, guys, and there it goes. Heat, there's the end of the train, guys, and there it goes. Okay, guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe for more videos like this. I'm Rail Fan Landon out.